first graders, please write your name at the top of your paper. On the front side of this paper, we are going to match the number with the picture that has that many objects. So our goal this week is to be counting numbers from 11 to 20. So we're going to start with this one here. Let's count the leaves and see how many are in this box. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So there's 19 leaves. So we're going to draw a line from 19 to the leaves. Okay, now let's count the corn. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we're going to draw a line from 18 to the corn. Okay, let's count the pine cones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, good. That was a big one. So we're going to do a line from 20 to the pine cones. Now let's do the pumpkins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we're going to draw a line from 16, so the one with the 6, to the pumpkins. So the only one I have left is 17. But let's count the apples anyway, just to make sure that there's 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yep, there's 17, so we're going to connect there. Very good. All right, turn it over on the back. Now what we're going to do is we're not actually going to color, we're just going to count. And remember, I do the little marks on the picture so that I know that I've counted that object. So let's look at the mice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to fill in the box for 5 because that's how many mice we saw. Okay, let's count the iguanas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so find the 9 and color it in. Okay, now we're going to do the lions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. So I'm going to color in the 7 box. Okay, now I want you to try some on your own. So I want you to do the hippo, the penguins, and this is the walrus. So push pause, and then when you're done, push play and check your answers with mine. So go ahead and push pause. Okay, how many hippos did you find? Yeah, there's 4. How many penguins do you see? 6. Very good. How many walruses do you see? there's 2. Okay, so I want you to do the same thing on the narwhal, the pufferfish, and the raccoons. I want you to push pause on your iPad, count all 3 of those groups, and then push play to check your answer with mine. So go ahead and push pause. All right, boys and girls, how many narwhals did you do? We got 3. So we color in the 3. And the pufferfish, that one's pretty easy. How many do we have? Just 1. And then for the raccoons, how many did you count? Good, 8. Nice job, boys and girls. Okay, go ahead and turn this into your teacher and do what she wants you to do next.